are, okay. So you know I like to get products and use the whole line when it comes to my hair. So I seen in Sally's that Gabrielle Union came out with her natural hair care line. So I was like, you know, let me go ahead and grab them and try them out and see if it works, because I like to use every line that they have or every product that they have for that line, because if I open up a hair care line, I would want you to have my hair care line for every single thing, like for a twist out, for wash and goes, for straightening. Like I would want to have it all, so I grabbed everything. So I grabbed the Hydrating Detangle Shampoo. So if y'all can see that focus. I'm gonna focus. Boom. Okay, so this is the bottle. That's the Hydrating Detangle Shampoo. And then I use the 3-minute Restoring Conditioner. So, bam. And so, first for these products, it doesn't have a natural hair care smell. You know how like you get the shea butter and you get like the vanilla and there's a coconut oil, like that smell. Like it smells like a product. It's not a bad smell, but it smells like a product, if you get what I'm saying. So the shampoo at first, I used a little bit just to see. My hair was straight, so I knew I was gonna have to use a little bit more. But that's always expected with all the hair that I have. So I used a little bit of it, and I'm not gonna lie, like I was like, I'm gonna use half this bottle by the time I'm done washing my hair. And I'm probably like maybe right there. Maybe I can say, yeah, right there. But when I washed it, like it didn't lather up, but it gave me a good wash. If you know what I mean? Yeah, like it gave me a good wash. But like it was fine. I probably, honestly, would probably use it for my daughter's hair, but we'll see. But the 3-minute Restoring Conditioner, I didn't think it was going to do much, just because it wasn't thick, but it actually, like, it hit. I just left it on for 3 minutes, like it says. It says that you can like put it in a cap and let it sit on under a heater, but I don't have that. So I just let it sit for 3 minutes, wash my body down, and then rinse it out. And honestly, like I felt a difference. Like my hair felt smooth. Yeah, it feels smooth. The one thing that I do like about it is the detangling. Like it detangled my hair. Usually when I use conditioner, I'm like going for a while, but this I was like immediately, like just was able to brush through with my brush. So I was excited about that. So I will recommend leaving it on for 3 minutes, probably longer if you want to, but I did leave it for like probably 5 minutes, honestly. So I left it on for 5 minutes, so I was actually happy with it. And it didn't, like my hair's good. It's good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist with the Defining Curl Cream. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Let's see. Okay. So y'all see. So Defining Curl Cream, it says, one thing that I do like, I will say this, that it gives you the texture on which your hair should be. So this is 234. For the shampoo, it's 234. So it's meant for my hair, infused with Brazilian curry butter, olive oil, castor seed oil. So that may be why I didn't have like the smell that I'm used to with natural hair products, but that's fine. So here it says 234, shea butter, rice oil complex, and healthy shine lilac. So with products, I like a thick feeling because I feel like that's gonna hold on my hair. But this is like, it's not weak. but it's you know, like it's a good texture. It's not thick. I'm what I'm used to, so we'll see. Of course, I'm gonna do the 3-strand twist like I do for everything for my hair. I haven't found a product yet to do a wash and go, but I don't do wash and goes like that, so I may start just to really see. With me being a teacher, like my hair puffs up in class, like them kids are gonna just no, them students are not about to clown me. So we're gonna start twisting, 3-strand twist, and see what it does. So stay tuned.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No. Never look back. Never look back. No.
Okay, so I'm finished. The cream, like, can y'all hear it? I don't know if you can hear it, but it feels like, you know the sound when you still have shampoo in your hair and you, like you hear like the, okay, so my battery died, I had to change it. Boop. Can I tell y'all, like I felt like, so I've been making videos long enough. That's why it died. So I feel, you know, all important because bloggers and all content creators, their batteries they'll be like, hold on, let me go get a battery. It's died. So I'm like, but yeah, anyway, okay. So yeah, it feels fine. I hope it's dry by the time I get up in the morning. I'm gonna have to take pictures and stuff. I'm gonna put like some edge control. Well, no, I'll probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna put it up and then tomorrow I'm gonna take pictures, but I'll be back tomorrow so y'all can see how it turns out. But I feel like it's gonna be good, but this is the only thing. So this was full. And y'all see, it's damn near gone. So like I feel like I would only get like 2 wash and goes or 2 hairstyles on it. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But all right, I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, so we're back next day. I didn't wake up until like 11 o'clock because I was up until 2 twisting my hair out. So when I did get up, I worked out and everything. I left it twisted because it was still kind of wet, which that's my hair, that always happens. So before I untwisted it, I took the curl defier, yeah, the blow dryer, I forgot what it's called, diffuser, boom, diffuser, and I put that on the twist so it would dry up a little bit, but that did work. So as I was twisting it out, I started to see the definition was really good. Like, do y'all see this? Like the 3-strand twist was bomb with this. There we go. Now we can see, right? Did I miss? Oh, okay. You know how you be missing twist out? Well, twist. But yeah, I can do this. I do think, I know yesterday, I said I used like half of it was gone. I probably didn't have to use as much, but that's how I am with products. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed. So I probably didn't need to use as much. A little bit probably would have been left over, but so I could probably get like 3 hairstyles out of it, so that's good. Of course I'd like to get more, but for the price and for how much I can get hairstyle, like bomb. So Gabby, you did that. I do feel flawless. Boop. You see that? So, but no, like this, it did good, the back, so y'all can see. Take a picture. Take a picture. And twirl. But yeah, I like this. This is added into the collection that I'll use again. She did good. She did good. So, don't forget, now that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, please. Show me the love. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I have it on this side or this side, but either way, it's there. So make sure you go follow me, like my videos, like my pictures, share my page, please. And I appreciate you guys coming to watch my videos and give me your time. I always appreciate it. But yeah, let me know what other products y'all would like me to try out, like me to use. Just share with me. You know, I'm always open. I'm always open. So, but let me go and I'm gonna take some pictures with this hairstyle. Yes, honey, yes. But y'all have a good one. Have a good week. Manifest everything. Write it down for your week because it is Sunday for me. I'm going to try to upload this tomorrow. So make sure y'all get your week ready. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.